How to add text to a video in GoPro Quik. First of all, open the app on your device. Next, go to the Studio tab at the bottom and select the video you want to add text to. Tap on the Edit button to open the editing tools. Then look for the text icon and tap on it. Type in the text you want to add to your video. After that, go back and tap on the theme section at the bottom. Here you can customize the text by choosing from the available themes in the app. You can further change the font and graphics for the theme you have selected. Preview your video to make sure the text looks perfect. Once satisfied, tap Save to apply the changes. Now you know how to add text to a video in GoPro Quik. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.